Energy Efficiency First Principle. Energy Efficiency First is a guiding principle of EU energy policy, and it aims to ensure that only the energy really needed is produced. The principle aims to treat energy efficiency as the first fuel. Demand for energy is reduced and managed in a cost-effective way. Where can I find Energy Efficiency First? In Revised Directive EU/2023/1791, Article 3, obligation for EU countries to ensure that energy efficiency solutions are considered in planning, policy, and investment decisions in both the energy and non-energy sectors. Which sectors can energy efficiency first be applied to? The principle can be applied in many contexts, from industry to public sector and services passing through buildings and transport. Which are the benefits deriving from EE1st application? Environmental and social, resulting thanks to the application of a broad context analysis where the advantages are considered, first of all, for the community. What is REEF? Regions putting energy efficiency first. REEF supports local and regional authorities to apply the Energy Efficiency First principle, thus helping to achieve climate goals. Partners from the European Union and from 2 European Union candidate countries work together to understand the barriers to energy efficiency first and how to overcome them. They look at interregional experiences and good practices to increase their knowledge of the principle and their capacity to use available assessment tools and to integrate the principle into the wider policy context. They also consider incentives and fundings available. In this way, REEF makes policy change a reality, using interregional learning to adapt existing policy instruments to support application of the EE1st principle and contribute to Green Deal objectives. Who are the partners? The consortium consists of 10 partners from 8 EU countries. 8 partners are from the EU and 2 from EU candidate countries. Lead partner, Local Energy Agency Spodnje Podravje, and Municipality of Dornava, Slovenia. Southeast Regional Development Agency, Romania. Regional Agency for Waste and Resource Management, and Regional Government of Tuscany, Italy. Center for Energy, Environment, and Resources, with Associated Policy Authority Municipality of Breza, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Ialoveni City Hall, Moldova. City of Roeselare, Belgium. Middelfart Municipality, Denmark. Dublin's Energy Agency, with Associated Policy Authority, South Dublin County Council, Ireland. Which are the project's steps? In order to achieve its ambitious objective, REEF integrates work at interregional and at regional level according these crucial steps. 1. Understanding the challenge. Partners first look at why the Energy Efficiency First principle is not yet widely applied. Together with local stakeholders, they identify barriers in governance, finance, and knowledge. 2. Exchanging knowledge and practices. Instead of working alone, partners come together to share their regional experiences. Through workshops, study visits, and discussions, they learn from each other and highlight inspiring good practices. 3. Turning knowledge into solutions. Through this exchange, partners shape practical solutions like new tools, funding approaches, awareness measures, and governance improvements that can help remove the barriers. 4. Driving policy improvement. These solutions are then used to adapt and strengthen policy instruments so that energy efficiency first is integrated into decision-making and becomes a guiding principle in regional and national policies. 5. Ensuring lasting impact. Progress is carefully monitored, and where necessary, action plans are developed to embed improvements into long-term policy frameworks.